Rem and I are having like a bestie shopping day.
Ooh, whoa. I don't like that.
We're in Prada. We're about to do a car haul.
I had a great day today. How are we feeling? Officially nervous.
Hello, besties. I just really quickly showered and got ready. I didn't even really style my bangs, but they look okay. So we're fine with it. My hair's still wet, but I put it up in a clip. Today is honestly such an exciting day. Rem and I are having like a bestie shopping day because we're gonna be heading out to Orange County because tonight Ashley and Taryn are having a live show at the Irvine Improv, which is the same place we had our Pretty Basic live show. So I'm so excited. They've never done really anything like this. So obviously we gotta go support because they're always supporting for us. Go listen to their podcast. Rem and I were excited because we were like, oh my God, we've been wanting to go down to Orange County and shop a little bit. Why don't we just go early, beat traffic, and we can have a day out there. So just got ready. I'll show you the fit. I feel like I haven't done this in a long time. Also, this plant, I love it, but like it really blocks the view. This is the fit. Actually, let me do this. Let me just do this. Top is from House of CB. It is honestly really cute. It just ties and it's so cute and so girly. Jeans are really baggy, like mom jeans, but they're ripped on the knee and then on the back. So those are the jeans. They're from Storettes. I think that's how you say it. And then I'm just wearing white Air Force Ones. I brought some black flip-flops in case I want to look a little more dressed up. But for now I kind of like the tennis shoes, honestly. But that's the fit. I feel like I used to do outfit of the days like every single vlog and it's been a bit since I've done one. But anyways, packing up, heading to Rem's right now. Are you Miss Remi Ashton?
Yes, you won the meet and greet.
I won the VIP
Let's go.
meet and greet experience.
With Sue's Cruise.
We're shopping.
We're shopping.
We are shopping. We got some lunch and now we're at the mall. South Coast Plaza, if you know, you know. Went to Aritzia. Both of us just did the same thing with our bags. I went to Aritzia and got a few things. We're living the 2016 Black Friday experience. Rem was like, can we go to Bath & Body Works? And I was like, yeah.
Wait, we are.
We are.
Bath & Body Works, Urban Outfitters,
yes, all the things.
That's what the ones we'd hit. White pumpkin. Ooh, smells like pumpkin spice lattes.
Oh my God, it really does.
Whoa. Oh, I'm so excited for fall. Sweater weather. I just thought of the hit clips. All I am is a hit clips.
Marshmallow pumpkin.
Is there a leaves? There's no leaves.
I don't like that.
Okay. Haul, guys. I'm getting 5 sanitizers. Spending big today.
So I'm buying a bag. We're in Prada.
Alisha?
Oh, sorry.
No. I'm gonna be famous. I'm gonna give you this one today, but I'm ordering a new one for you as well. Because as I was wrapping it, I found like a few hairline scratches here and there. But no problem. I'm gonna call the New York store. They have another one.
Okay.
Because every store just has one.
Okay.
I'm gonna have them ship one to us, and then I'm gonna call you just to do the swap. So you can take this one today if you want.
Okay.
And then, because I want to have a perfect one.
Thank you so
to be
much.
completely honest. As soon as the other one comes in, I'm just gonna give you a call and just do this one.
Okay, perfect.
Okay?
Oh my God, thank you so much. I like this size. I wish it came.
Yeah, see, I love that shape too.
Like, I really like this. I just don't love the triangle. Yeah. It's crazy they have the what's it called, necklaces. The Dazzle glass, yes.
I want sugar rims.
Oh, I had baby sparks.
Baby sparks.
That's why I was like, it looks like this.
Was this baby sparks? I like sugar rims.
Cute. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Thumbnail life. Okay, we got some stuff. Why is the lighting fucking shit? We got some stuff. I'm that girl. I get it, everyone. I get it. We did some damage.
Wait, you guys are never gonna believe this. We got free gifts from MAC. Look at this. Are we doing a car haul right now?
Oh my God, we should.
So we made some purchases at MAC, you guys, and the girl gave us these little free gifts. Oh, I literally never.
Okay, if you want to see what Remi got, go watch her vlog. Okay, y'all. We're about to do a car haul because Rem just did hers.
Alisha got some good shit today. Like, we had a really good shopping day.
I had a great day today. I feel like I didn't vlog too much shopping, but that's okay. Okay, first, I'm gonna start with Nordstrom because...
Wait, I'm like living for this right now.
I hate us. So we go to MAC. Also, I don't know how I feel about these bags. Like, I liked the old plastic ones, but I get why. Like, they're so much more eco-friendly.
Do they always give these out? I thought today was just special.
I don't think so.
Oh.
I've been really into cream blushes lately, as y'all know. So I got Grand
Oh,
from
is
MAC.
it the clear packaging one?
Yeah.
Cool.
I don't know. It looked cool, but I got that, and then I also got a lip gloss. I surprisingly don't have that many lip glosses that I like. So we're gonna try. Oh, I need a blot. I'm so oily.
Please, no.
I don't know how I feel about it. It's a little too like white.
Put it on top of a lip liner.
Yeah, I'll try that later. But I got the lip gloss in Very Go Lightly. It needs to be over lipstick. Anyways, so I got those two things. Then,
oh my god, I found my perfect lip combo. Is it good?
It's so good.
This is my new favorite lip combo, everyone. Just so you know, it's Oak Lip Liner from MAC and the Spite Lip Gloss. Wait.
It looks so
it's
good.
so good.
Then I also got the MAC Prep and Prime Face Protect Sunscreen because in high school, this was the only primer that didn't make me oily. And I feel like lately I've had more oily skin.
Me too.
So I'm gonna try it again, SPF 50. I'm gonna see if I like it. Also, it's just a sunscreen, but it works as a primer. So then I also got the Supergoop Play, the big ass. I didn't know they made this. I love how big it is.
Looks like a classroom glue bottle.
Yeah, it literally looks like glue. Then as we're like checking out, the girl who was helping us goes, oh, you guys have a gift from MAC. They gave us 3 full-size products for free.
For free.
For free. Like they were doing it for everyone, gift with purchase, plus this cute little bag. So I'm just living. Like I think I was more excited to get this than I was when they sent me PR. Like I was like, what? Like I was just like, holy shit. Like this, like I was not expecting that. So I got so much MAC stuff. We got that. Then we went into Aritzia and I wasn't expecting to find anything. However, how many white crop tops do I need? The limit does not exist.
The limit does not exist.
Because they had their knit like corset top version. And I was like, okay, I really want to try this. It doesn't have the boning in the corset, but it looks like there is. So I got that.
That's cute.
Then I saw this dress. I have no idea if it's gonna fit me well, but I think it will because 1, the straps are adjustable, but 2, it actually has like some curves to it. Like it's not just a straight bodycon dress because I do not look good in a bodycon dress. Like if it's just a straight dress, it does not look good on me, but I feel like it's more sculpting. So I think I'm actually gonna like it. So I got that. And then y'all saw me in Prada. I got a bag.
She got a bag.
I was really excited because the girl helping me was so sweet. Oh my god, I was so excited. I've been wanting a new bag lately. There was only 1 bag left. And she was telling me how it was like a special bag and blah, 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 blah. But there was like a little scratch on it. And I'm not that person to be like, how dare you give me a bag with a scratch on it? I'm like, the first time I wear it, it'll probably get a scratch on it. So I'm like, you know what? It's fine. Like, I'll still take it. Long story short, she was like, I'm gonna give you this one and then order a fresh one for you so it's perfect. And then in a few days when that one comes, you can swap them out. And I was like, oh my god, that's so nice.
So sweet.
So I got this bag. It's cute.
She's so pretty. She's a classy girl.
Oh, I love it.
That's so pretty.
And it can be a crossbody. But
it's
yeah,
timeless.
she was like, look, there's like, it's not even.
Yeah, where was the scratch?
Like there. Literally.
Oh, so minimal.
But like, it's just this material.
I would do that on the first day as well.
But she was like, I want it to be perfect for you.
Oh, sweet.
And I thought that was so sweet.
This is so pretty. You can make it long. You can make it short. You can dress it up. You can wear it casual. What's her name? Jacqueline.
I was thinking like
Shannon. Michelle.
No, it has to start with a P. This is
Penelope.
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 Penelope. Patty.
Patty.
Or Priscilla. Priyanka.
Priyanka.
Prada.
She's gorge.
Paige.
We just keep going.
Literally says any name that starts with a P. Loves it. Anyways, we're gonna go to the live show.
We really had ourselves a day today.
Have some water. FYI, if you want some. It's cold.
It stayed in the car and it's cold.
I know.
Well, great news. I bought this as you were doing your haul.
Oh my god, good.
Ah, wow.
I know. Insane. Anyways, we had a great BFF shopping day.
We did.
Your mom being there was just extra.
Icing on the cake.
Icing on the cake.
All right, let's go support our girlies. I'm gonna cheer so loud. No traffic. Wow, and we're gonna be on time.
What?
What?
How are we feeling?
I'm
nervous.
I'm officially nervous.
Yeah.
Like I was doing okay, and now I'm like.
The main thing. Why is it so fucking quiet? Okay, so the main thing is it's not a comedy show, so you don't have to like entertain them. Just do your thing. Yeah, you're sure. Why is it so quiet? I don't know, but I was like, what's happening? Video starting, and video cue video. Okay. And I need to leave. I'm not in this.
She walks out with us. She's like, hi.
I'm like, hi everyone.
What are you doing? Oh, hi, gorgeous. I love Alisha Marie. She's an angel in heaven.
I feel like I never seen you.
I know.
Wow. I'm scared.
He got bitches.